Welcome to Raya Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program, Standard 6th. Hello students, today we'll be covering a new poem from lesson 4.3, Mr. Nobody. So let's start. I know a funny little man, as quiet as a mouse, who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There is no one ever sees his face, and yet we all agree that every plate we break was cracked by Mr. Nobody. So in this poem, Mr. Nobody, the poets talk about a person called Mr. Nobody who causes all kinds of trouble in our homes. So in the first stanza of this poem describes Mr. Nobody as a funny little man who causes a mess in the house and yet nobody ever sees him. He is a quiet man and is present in everybody's house and takes the blame for all the wrongs in house. If the plates break, even then Mr. Nobody is blamed. 'Tis he who always tears out books, who leaves the door ajar. He pulls the button from our shirts and scattered pins afar. That squeaking door will always squeak, for Preet, don't you see? We leave the oiling to be done by Mr. Nobody. So in this stanza, the poet continues to talk in detail about the troubles Mr. Nobody creates in our houses. He says that it is none other than Mr. Nobody who always tears the pages of our books and leaves the doors open. He pulls off the buttons from our shirts and throws away our pins here and there. Even the squeaking noise of the door is Mr. Nobody's fault because he has forgotten to oil it. The finger marks upon the door by none of us are made. We never leave the blinds unclosed to let the curtains fade. The ink we never spill, the boots that lying round you see are not our boots. They all belong to Mr. Nobody. Towards the end of the poem, the poet says that the finger marks left on the door belong to Mr. Nobody. He says that we continue to blame Mr. Nobody for everything that is going on in the house, like for not leaving the blinds open to let the light in, for the ink that gets spilled and the boots that lie around even after being asked to put them in their place. So the poem on the whole carries a deeper sense of meaning. It is written in a brilliant manner that teaches us to own up to our mistakes. Here the poets ask us to be brave enough to accept our mistakes and avoid blaming others for it. So I hope you understood this poem. Thank you.